Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create particle effect for fireworks in GDevelop with particle emitter. So first thing, open GDevelop, create a new project, and also add one scene into your project. So here the background of scene that I have made over here is dark black so that effect would be visible. Okay, and now what we'll do is create new object and add particle emitter. Now let's name this firework, then set the particle kind to point, set the size to, let's say, 10, keep the color like this, red and yellow. Also keep the opacity from 204 to 0. Okay, set the additive rendering. You can also delete when out of particles or simply uncheck this. Now also maximum number of particles here set to 300, number of particles in tank also set to 300. Now flow of particles we want to set to some high number, which is 1000. Then minimum emitter force, let's set this to 200. Let's break one angle, set to, let's say, 45. Okay, and also set the radius to 5. Then gravity, we want y-axis to have higher gravity while x-axis being 0 as is. No change with friction of particles. Then comes particle lifetime, which we want to set to 2 for both minimum maximum. Then particle start size 100, end size I want to change that to 1. Right, now just apply this, save this, then drop the fireworks and also change it towards 90 degrees upwards. It's hard to get it properly right, so just do as much as you can do and save this and run it. Okay, now notice that fireworks effect here. But if you want to set some keyboard press for this effect to work, so you can do so. Simply add a condition, fireworks, for which you have to set keyboard key press, let's say Q pressed, right? Then what we will do is add action of, let's say, create an object. So here our object is fireworks, so position, let's say something like 450, base to empty, and we can also set the angle, for fireworks. Where is the angle? Okay, so here's the angle. Choose the operator set to and the value minus 19. So right, so what we will do is we will just test this one out. You can also add one more action, simply delete object. So object, right, and we'll take a look at that part later. So what we'll do is I'll just save this, go to main scene, run this, and we will add Q that will keep on creating this effect. So you get the idea how to create the fireworks particle effect in GDevelop.